What it do, YouTube? What it do, YouTube? What it do? Welcome back to the KB show, man. Welcome back to the channel. We up here, man, with the white box, man. Y'all get in the comment section, man. Let me know what y'all think I should name this thing, man. I'm thinking Goldilocks or something. I don't know. I don't really normally name my cars, but y'all let me know what y'all think I should name it. Yeah, but man, we back up here with a shop update, man. And as you see, it's in the same spot as we left it last time. But we're about to get it in motion, man. Get it right, get it ready for the summertime. So I just wanted to give y'all an update, man, on kind of everything that we got going on. You see the thing dirty. Ew. Can't wait to get it back, drive it, clean it, wash it, put the music in it. This car, man, I ain't really gonna do too much to it, honestly. I'm just gonna change the top. We're gonna put probably re-chrome the bumpers, put new strips on there, redo the exhaust, new emblems. Like I said, new top. Change the music out on the inside. See, we got them Rucci things, man, on them with the spinner, man, with the spinner boys. Yeah, you see how we coming, man. But yeah, this car, I'm about to order a lot of new parts for this car so we can get it in motion, get it going. But I need y'all to get in the comment section below, man, and let me know what kind of footage y'all want to see with this car. I definitely need y'all feedback, man. I don't want to be one of them other YouTubers on here with a box Chevy just popping it, or fixing it or whatever. So y'all get in the comment section, man. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see, man. What kind of footage y'all want to see with the box Chevy, man. Just wanted to tap in and give y'all an update. All right, man. Tap in with y'all the next one, man. Probably go mess with the two-door box Chevy on the next one, man. But I'll tap in with y'all, man. Yes, sir.